Hi guys, Ron, Tech Tips, Tech Stuff, how's it going? Today I want to talk to you about Snagit 2025 just came out. It's a game changer. Some of the new changes in this and new features, just a game changer. I'm going to show you one feature that is a major improvement over the past versions. To activate Snagit 2025, I'm going to set up for the print screen, so I hit print screen, crosshairs show up, and I take capture of my area, selecting image capture. Now we have lots of personal information here. We have email addresses, phone numbers, address. Before you had to go into blur and highlight these and blur them out. But there's something new in there. It's called Smart Redact. It automatically goes through your captures looking for personal information and will automatically delete it or just hide it. It's not delete it. So just say please call me like that, call me like that. So you want to have text for your text, just highlight that and delete it. And your text is now shown. If you want to have it covered up again, all you have to do is go back to the tool, cover up again manually. So it's a real game changer, and I use Snagit every day. I'll put a link in the description for a 30-day free trial of Snagit. If you found the video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.